Another day in my life as a New York City personal chef. I started this day off by making some green juices. I like to make enough that will last about 2 to 3 days, and I packaged them up with the date. Then I threw some sweet potatoes in the oven because I wanted to make some twice baked sweet potatoes. So I have my little mixture here. I'm adding the flesh from the sweet potatoes after they've been baking for an hour, mixing it with my mixture, putting it back in the potatoes and popping that back in the oven just for a few minutes. And then I moved on to the green beans using the blanching and shocking method. So I just blanched them in boiling water, shocked them in ice water, and then cooked them up a little later closer to dinner time so they were nice and hot. I made a simple smoothie for the kiddos, strawberries, bananas, a little bit of spinach, and blended that up. And then I took that chicken that I had in that jerk marinade overnight, and I just grilled it up in a grill pan with some neutral cooking oil. I used avocado oil this time, and I think it came out really well. I was surprised by the taste. We'll be doing this more often. Then it was time to plate. I made a little cilantro sauce situation, and I plated that with the sweet potato, chicken on top of that, a little more cilantro sauce, microgreens, and the green beans on the side, and that was all for this night.